Hello, today we're in Kalkaska, Michigan at Nature's Choice, Glassworks and more. We're with Christina and Connie. This is Christina, daughter of the owner. Hi, Christina.
Hi.
She's going to tell us a little bit about the business. We're going to walk through and also show everything. You guys have a lot of different things to offer, but before we move on to the different things, what's your phone number?
Our phone number is 231-384-6732,
And your physical address here?
208 North Cedar Street.
And that's in Kalkaska. You're on the east side of the road, pretty much just north of downtown, before the light, or after the light if you're coming from the north. And then your web address?
Oh. Nature's Choice. Glassworks.com.
That's Nature's Choice, Glassworks.com. That's all right. Most people don't know their web address. Anyway, you ladies sell a large variety of different things. Anyway, why don't we start right here? You've got different cups
We got coffee cups and coffee cozies, coolers.
and you've got behind there a bunch of different pictures.
Yes, these are photographer Chris. I don't know where he's from. Yes, he's selling them with the frames.
And then over here, you've got rolling paper. What else do we have here?
We got juicy wraps, zigzags, rollers, juicy J's, papers.
And then speaking of juice, Connie, your mother, Connie, you sell a lot of this. I know you've got your stock is down a little. You've been selling a lot of it, but the juice that's for the e-vape cigarettes.
Yes.
What e-cigarettes? So that's what they still call them that.
Yes.
Okay. And this is the juice they used. And these are all different flavors. I'm not very.
Flavors, and we have different types of nicotine from 0, 3, and 6.
Oh, so it can actually get stronger.
Yes.
And 6 is the highest.
6 is the highest.
Obviously.
Right now.
Wouldn't be 0. And then you have different garments. And your mom was telling us that the disc golf, that's pretty popular. She enjoys doing that.
Yes.
Do you do that as well?
I do it a lot. It's
Oh.
one of my favorite things.
So you do it as a family.
All of us.
That's pretty interesting. And then over here, Connie, this is a friend of yours. Some knickknacks and things for the home.
Wood burnings. And stickers.
Oh, okay. And you have incense as well. And over here, obviously, we have different pipes and things for people to smoke tobacco and.
Okay, we'll start over here.
Okay.
We have the mods for the e-juice, e-cigarettes. People can come buy these for the juice if they need them.
So those are the actual units.
Yes, these are the actual units for the juice.
Okay.
And we have coils and everything else that they need for them.
So if somebody just came in and they've never done it and they want to start, you have everything for them to get started.
Yes.
Okay.
And then we have the dab stuff, dab rigs and oil rigs. There's bowls and bong type things. Vaporizers.
Connie, you can talk louder. We won't scare anybody. Connie's the owner. She's in the background here.
These are all her bowls and tobacco pipes that we have.
And this is for any type of tobacco. Very interesting.
And she even has a little consignment section that she lets people bring stuff in and she'll sell for them.
Oh, well, that's nice. That's convenient. And then there's hemp jewelry here.
Yeah. We have a few people making these. They're necklaces, bracelets, anklets, keychains, type things.
And then we have what do we call these, purses?
Yeah, we got some purses and handbags. Here, these ones got some pockets in them. These are handmade as well.
Michigan unsalted, very nice. They're all handmade locally.
Yes.
Oh, nice. A lot of Michigan stuff. Very nice, very nice. And then we have the tie-dye shirts here.
Yes. We have fun making these here.
Oh, you actually make them?
Yeah.
Oh, very nice, very nice. And then more clothes down here.
These are made from a local, one of our ladies as well. All these shirts are.
Oh, so they're made locally. Wow, that's great. Okay, so the majority of the business your mom was telling me are the e-cigarettes, the juices,
Yeah.
all in the family here.
And lady does handmade dog beds. We have
Oh
a
yeah,
lot of handmade items from local artists.
that is great. Yeah, they just there's something in here for everybody. Apparently, including your pet.
Yeah.
Okay, so the majority of your you obviously sell a lot of different things, but the e-juice is popular. So people can come in and get a large variety of those. And then you've got more knickknacks over here. And apparently the disc golf is popular. I've never done that. Now these discs aren't like your old school frisbees. These discs are heavier, firmer, and they're more accurate.
Yeah, and they got like an edge more for gripping on there. They're for throwing farther and more.
So they go pretty far.
They go really far, yeah.
Huh. Well, once again, this is Nature's Choice Glassworks and more in Kalkaska, Michigan, with Christina, Connie, the mom.
Hi.
Hi, Connie. Connie, real quick, one more time, your phone number
Is 231-384-6732.
and your physical address.
208 North Cedar Street.
Well, folks, they have very unique things, very interesting. Come in and see them. Great prices on everything. And then, are we missing anything? Your web address one more time?
Is Nature's Choice Glassworks.com.
And the phone number one more time?
231-384-6732.
And you're right on the east side of the road. The main Cedar Street's the main drag right here in Kalkaska. You're probably eighth of a mile from the light.
Yes, and we're in the Neon Plaza across from Marathon.
You're just south of the light.
Yes.
Okay. Well, are we missing anything?
Nope, I don't
Oh.
believe so.
Okay, that's Nature's Choice, Glassworks and more. Come in and visit Connie, Christina, the family. They've got lots of great things. Thanks, Christina.
Thank you.
And thank you, Connie. Come in and visit them. They're very, very nice owner and staff. They've got lots of different things, something for everyone. It's a very fun place. And behind us, what was the little one's name?
James.
James, that's right. Anyway, thank you, ladies. Thank you, James. Thanks, everyone, for taking a look. Come in and visit them. Lots of product, great things, a must-do in Kalkaska, Michigan.